and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Okay guys, so some Valentine Rice Krispie treats. So I don't remember making Rice Krispie treats before, maybe like one other time, maybe. But I definitely haven't done it in my adulthood. So I am going to try to remember how to do it. So anyway, I just found these fun, huge pink marshmallows. And then I just got an extra bag of some pink and white marshmallows. I've got some white melting chocolate, some little fun heart-shaped cookie cutters, and a couple of different various sprinkles. I've got butter and some wax paper in a pan there. And I've got long nails, so I've got some gloves. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't have a lot of time, but I'm gonna go ahead, melt, get the marshmallows all gooey and ready, and then go ahead and mix it in my Rice Krispie treats. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of put some sprinkles in there too. I'll probably have like two batches, one that has some sprinkles and then others that don't. I don't know, I'll just kind of see what happens. So bear with me, let me get the marshmallows ready to go. Okay guys, so my plan was to have half of the Rice Krispie treats made with white marshmallows and mix like the red and pink sprinkles in it, so you can see the sprinkles in the white marshmallows. But then when I put it in the pot, this is what happens. The color just melted. So I think what I'm gonna do, this is just gonna be the pink, I guess, and then I'll use the other white marshmallows, just do it normally, and then just put the sprinkles on top. So far, that's what we have. Okay guys, so I only made a few of these, because we're not gonna eat that many. So anyway, this is how I have it. It's extremely sticky, and I completely forgot to spray my hands. So let me try to get something to spray this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to butter my hands. I know that's probably like too much butter, but okay, maybe not. I'm just gonna butter my hands and kind of press this down. And I'm going to be using the heart-shaped cookie cutters. So I'm going to kind of make this fairly flat. And I still have another batch to do. But I just kind of wanted to work in small batches so that I didn't get too overwhelmed. Okay, so that's there. I'm gonna take one of these gloves off. I'm gonna go and try to add these sprinkles. I don't know how it will look, but I don't know, we'll see. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I'm just gonna kind of mash these in here so while this is setting, the little sprinkles will be in here. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. And I like sprinkles and all things sweet, so I'm gonna kind of cover mine a decent amount. But you can put as many or as little as you care for. Okay. So we got that going. So now I am gonna go, like I said, I have another batch of this that I need to work on. So I'm gonna get that batch going, and then I'll pour it out here, and we'll probably just do the same thing. All right. Okay guys, so I just did a pot of regular. I'm gonna put a decent amount of butter on my hands, swirl it around so this time it won't stick so much. I know that's probably a lot of butter, but it's okay. So I'm gonna get all of this out of here as much as I can. And I decided to leave this batch just plain because I'm going to add other things to this. So we're going to do some with some sprinkles, some with some chocolate. There we go. So I'm just going to get this and spread this out. And I've already buttered, this is just wax paper here. So I've already got that done. And buttered that on top of putting the wax paper on. And the same with this, because we're still going to use the cookie cutter sheets. So I'm just going to make these flat. Okay. And now I am going to add these sprinkles here to probably like half of this sheet. Yeah, these show up a little better. So I'm gonna press these in here while this is still warm. Okay. So I got that on half of it, and then the other half will just be something else. I don't know. We'll add some chocolate, maybe some more sprinkles. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna let these sit and kind of cool before I take the, because I need to wash these anyway. So I'm gonna let these sit and cool and let them form up fairly well, and then we'll come back and cut them and everything else. Okay guys, so why that is in the sorry, I'm cut off. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. So why the Rice Krispie treats, I have them in the freezer to kind of speed them along. Why that's in there, I'm gonna make some pink chocolate. So I've just got these Ghirardelli white chocolate wafers for melting. And I've already opened them because I've been eating them. But they just look like this, and they're just the melting chocolate. So I think I put it to the side. I could not find pink food coloring anywhere. So I just have, I already had some red food coloring. So I'll just have to do just a tiny amount to get a good pink. So I'm gonna do half white, just like plain, just leave this white chocolate, and then the other half do pink chocolate. So I'm gonna get these, get this chocolate made, and then hopefully by the time that that's done, the Rice Krispie treats will be done. So we're gonna go and work on the chocolate. Okay guys, so I took the Rice Krispie treats out. I got the white chocolate, and I got it to be pink, kind of. Again, I only had red, and that's the best that I could do. So I really hope y'all aren't seeing the notifications on my phone. So anyway, yes, we are going to, I've got this big cookie cutter here that's just got the little ribbon edges on it, and then I just got a plain little one here. And no particular order, I'm just gonna kind of cut these out here. And I'm just gonna do just like a couple different, a couple little different ones all over. Do one here. So yeah, I probably should have put like some butter or something on these, but it's fine. So I'm gonna get these all cut out, and then I will come back so y'all can see them. There is one that's out now. And then when I press down, I'm just gonna kind of twist it to separate it from the rest. So, ooh, this one is still a little sticky, but anyway, that's how it comes out. And you can make these as thick as you want to. Like I said, Mitchell and I are just not just gonna sit up here and eat all these. They're really just for the purpose of the video. So I'm just gonna kind of lay that there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these cut out. Okay guys, so I got a couple of them out here. So they came out really, really pretty. I think that they would have had a better shape if I had made them a little bit thicker, but it's fine. So in the process while I was cutting them out, I did notice it took a little bit to get them out. So I think all it is I just needed to grease and butter the pan a lot more than I did. But other than that, I didn't really have too many issues. But I did notice the chocolate solidified. So I am gonna try to pop these back in the microwave. Hopefully just for a minute, it'll just remelt without any issues. And then we're gonna try to like kind of dip a couple of these in, and I hope to God this chocolate does not burn because I don't have any more. So anyway, let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so thank God nothing happened. It didn't overheat. So you can kind of do this however you feel free or want to do it. I'm just gonna, no particular kind of way, just kind of maybe like on one half here, I'll just have like white chocolate, and you can do these as thick as you can, or as thick as you want. I only bought this one bag of white chocolate thinking that it would be enough, but it obviously is not. So yeah, so you can do something like that. You can drizzle your chocolate if you want to. And all I'm gonna do kind of, it's like no particular type of thing. Just something like that. This one, since it's plain, I'll do like drizzle white and pink. And yeah, something like that, something super cute. And then maybe we can go and put a few of these little sprinkles over them. That looks cute there. Maybe I'll put a few of these, the red sprinkles on this side. So yeah, I think I may, let's see. I think I may do white on this little plain one here. And then I'll add some of the red and pink sprinkles on that one. Okay, so anyway, let me give these a few more. Anyway guys, yeah, that's about it. here are my little finished product. And you can see it, hopefully you can see it fine. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I definitely will, the next time if I do this, I definitely will make them a lot thicker. I had a little bit of a tough time getting these out because they're thinner, and which makes them a lot more delicate. And on top of that, I thought I had greased the parchment paper and sprayed it real well, but obviously I didn't, because I couldn't use like half of the batch that I made, because when I was trying to get them out, they just kind of stuck to the paper, and it was crazy trying to get them out. So so yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that the next time. Yeah, I know a lot of people really love doing this, especially during the holidays and people, you know, with their kids and everything. So it was kind of fun to do. Like I said, I don't think that I've done this. I know I haven't done this in my adult life. So, yeah, so this was kind of fun to do. So yeah, maybe I'll try some more. Maybe I'll bring Mitchell in to kind of help me and we can kind of do it together. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think. I'll bring the camera around so y'all can see it a little bit better. And yeah, let me know what you're baking for Valentine's Day. If you are, if you're not, like, what do you guys like to do, and what do you like to eat besides candy on Valentine's Day? But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go and put these things away. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.